Hello everyone, I'm Adimas and good to see you again. Okay, so today I want to tell you about a destination place in Bali called Tanah Lot. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you about the history. Tanah Lot is located in Brapan Village, Tabanan district. This temple is located about 20 kilometers southwest of the city of Denpasar. Tanah Lot was built in the 16th century by Adiningat. He is a Hindu priest who come from Java. He broke Hindu teachings and began teaching this religion to the local population. During his spiritual journey, he discovered a large rock in the southwest coast of Bali, which he took was very suitable for building a temple. This temple was built on a large coral reef in the middle of the sea. This temple building dominated by stone and wood, surrounded by trees, and was later given the name Tanah Lot. This temple is named Tanah Lot, which comes from two words, Tanah meaning land and Lot meaning sea. So it means land in the sea. We know that Balinese people are very close with their culture and religion. Well, Tanah Lot is one of the places and ceremonies for the Balinese people. They believe that Tanah Lot is a place of worship for the god of the sea. This temple is also one of the Sadkayanan temple in Bali. Forest religion ceremonies are held here. One of the ceremonies is called Tabanan. Or we can say it's temple anniversary, which is celebrated every 210 days according to Balinese calendar. For tourist attraction, Tanah Lot is not only site of religion important but also a major tourist attraction in Bali. Visitors are drawn to the stunning scenery sunset that casts a magical glow over the temple and the sea. During low tide, tourists can walk across the rocky path to get closer to the temple. By exploring the cave, tourists can find the sacred holy snake that Balinese people believe the snake is the guardian of the temple. The Nairobibotubulong temple is on another rocky outcrop with a natural arch. Furthermore, the area around Tanah Lot is filled with vibrant markets selling local handicraft and souvenirs. Those attractions make Tanah Lot become must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Bali. So, should we go to Tanah Lot? Absolutely yes. Whether you are interested in exploring the spiritual aspect of Hinduism, capturing sunset views, or just simply immersing yourself in the atmosphere of Balinese culture, Tanah Lot offers something for everyone. The opportunity to witness traditional ceremonies such as the Odalan adds a deeper layer of culture experience to your visit. With its unique location in the middle of the sea, Tanah Lot provides an unforgettable experience for the visitors. So that's all about Tanah Lot. I hope I can see you again, guys. Thank you.